another tutorial, and in this Kotlin tutorial I will be touching about visibility of your arguments in your class, right, or object. So what is this visibility and why is it important? Actually, it's very important factor because if you consider example of particularly like you are creating a library, right, and if you want to rewrite this library, so you should not affect all the customers who are using the library, right? So there are some properties which are only visible inside the library. So the the properties which are like public, which are accessed by the clients, and there are some properties which are private to the library. So that means you can anytime come back, you know, you can anytime come back and you can modify these library codes with all these private variables which is only visible privately to this library, and all the clients are not affected, right? So this is the concept, guys. You have to understand it. It's very very important concept whenever you are creating, like modifying the code without affecting the the output, right, without affecting the values which are public to other users which are using this method or class, okay, or attributes, so that's the concept. And yeah, we will be discussing about various kind of visibility here, like public, private, protected, internal. So uh, and yeah, we'll be talking about also, like you can see here, uh, like this is a private class, okay, and in this example you can see that this index is a private to this class, right, to this private class top level functions. Properties are accessible only inside this file. So inside this file you can access all these private properties, right? So there are also some private properties which are the inside the class, right? For example, we can see like this private property, this private function actually is accessible only to this class, okay. So and also this one, this private property, this attribute is only access to this class, not to this main function, right? So main function cannot create an object and try to access these private functions or methods, right? It cannot do that. So yeah, that's the concept, guys. So this concept actually is really really useful while you create a library, okay, like when you want to refactor the code, okay, without impacting other users which are using the library. So it's very very important concept. It's a higher level concept used for separating the different variables, different attributes uh, which are public and to the clients which are being used publicly, and which are private to the library, to the classes or library or the code that you're using it. Okay, so let's it's all about the theory. You can go and read more about this concept here, but I want to go and give you some concrete examples by doing and solving the exercises, right? So which will make you understand much better. So yeah, I was already, yeah, these examples are already discussed there in the slide, so you can go and read this slide. uh, and yeah, I can't access a private member declared in another file, right? So class is private. As you can see here, there are examples here like cookie example, like this is a private. There's function, I already discussed this, multiple references, okay. Okay, so now let's not waste the time, let's go and solve the exercises. So now in this first exercise, what it says is a create an alien class. Okay, let's create this alien class, guys. Class alien, okay, with a constructor that is public val name. It's a string, it should be string, as you can see. Okay, yeah, as you can see, all properties and parameters are type string, as you can see here. So now, and also the second is species, which is like a string, and the third is at a private val planet. It's a private val planet. Okay, it's also a string. Okay, then what it says is planet. Okay, initialized by the constructor. Planet can be modified with move planet. As you can see here, this is a mutable, so planet can be modified with a member function called move planet. Okay, what it will modify it, right? So it's would be the just planet string, and what it will do is pretty much planet will become this new planet. And what else, guys? Override two string functions. So I can use just pretty much this shortcut command N to create a two string. Okay, but actually what I need is should be in this format. So I will just pretty much copy this format and paste this format. Okay, and yeah, and what else? In the main, create two aliens and move that to the origin. So let's create this two alien function. Alien 1 is alien, and this alien has the name is as you can see here, the name is this one, origin and destination planet. So what it does is create two alien and move them from the origin planet to destination planet, testing them using two string. Okay, so let's create this first alien, which is R3 okay, this is the name. Then I have to see the species is cat person. Sorry guys, what I'm doing here, and what I have to do is origin sorry, it's a planet is origin planet is Purs planet. What I have to do now, guys, is I have to print out this alien one. Let's do print ln and print out this alien. Okay, and now what I have to do is I have to move this planet, right? So I move, but I need the object. So alien 1, move the planet to a new destination. The new destination is this Earth C137. So Earth C137. Then I create another species, alien 2, with all these arguments, Dale, and the species is giant. Original planet is Gear World. Sorry, it's Gear World. And I have to print out this alien. Actually, you know, guys, I have to also print alien 1 here again after moving, right? So alien 2, I move the planet to Parblesnops. Never heard about this planet, guys. It's funny. And then I again print the alien 2, the situation of alien 2. So that's it, guys. So if I run this class, the output should be exactly like this one. Let's check it out, guys. Okay, alien 3 cat person is first planet. That's okay. 3 person, then it moved to this new planet, right? Dale giant gear world, and then perhaps snobs. Yeah, that's correct, guys. So pretty much, yeah, we are able to solve this exercise. And let's go to the next exercise. So what it says, this exercise is continue developing the robot class from the previous exercise. Use private on all the properties and correspond and verify that you can't access the private members outside of the class. So let's make it all private and private all the properties, and also make it private the property cross boundary, like so this method. And if you uncomment this, you see it will give you the error saying that cannot access X, it's a private to robot, right? So that's it, guys. We verified that we can't access the private member functions outside, so you cannot access this private member function. Okay, and but if you remove this planet, for example, if I remove this private and if I check here, you see it's not giving any error, right? So that's the concept. Okay, guys, so let's go to the next exercise. So okay, we have this new exercise, and what it says is robot can only move forward. That's correct. Check that the steps argument is positive number, so we have to check that it's a positive number. For right, left, down and up method, a negative or 0 steps arguments should not update the location. So a negative or 0 steps arguments should not update the location, instead it should produce this. So we have to pretty much check using a condition if the steps is less than or equals to 0, guys, then it should be something, otherwise it should print out something, right? So let's write some private function which will print error message, and what it will take out is the error message will be something like this. So okay, it will print out this error message. Sorry, the error message is something like this. So I just wanted to copy and paste it again. Okay, so but I need a steps here, so right, so steps is a int. Okay, so else you need to print out the error message. Sorry, so it's like print error message and pass the steps. That's it, guys. Okay, so we have to do it for all the method. So if steps is less than or equals to 0, okay, else print error message and then pass the steps. Similarly, if is less than or equals to 0, else print error message steps. That's it, guys. So pretty much similarly, steps is less than or equals to 0, else message which is like steps. Okay, guys, I think pretty much we are done. So it should now print out this this message. So let's check out that if it is correct. Oh, sorry guys, actually it's a mistake, guys. Stupid mistake, guys, because actually it should be opposite case. Okay, as you can see here, because it should be, if it is a positive number and or greater than 0, then you should do this, otherwise you have to print it, right? Sorry for my mistake, guys. So actually this is it, and it's the step 1. Okay, so now let's go for the another exercise. So what it says is incorrect input. Okay, what it says is when you apply refactoring like extract property, you must select the expression that you like to extract. This expression might be quite complicated. The extended section to extract this expression might be quite complicated. The extend selection action accessed using this like option and up arrow, right? Shortcut is very helpful here. It selects the outside expression, increases the section by its steps. The reverse action is like shrink section. So let's try this extended selection. How can we do that? You just need to put in a print ln. Okay, print ln, put it here, the caret, and just use option and up arrow. So I just put up arrow once, second, you see it's selected, the third one and the fourth one. And also you can shrink by using up down arrow, like option and down arrow. Okay, that's it, guys. So that was about mastering the IDE. Let's go to the next exercise now. So yeah, it's also about mastering the IDE. And now what it says is like allows you to extend the extract the repetitive code into a function. Okay, so actually you see that this code is repeated, right? This one and this one. So how can we extract this into a single function using the IDE? Okay, similarly, like okay, you can use it in a two ways, like, so I first select this one. Okay, then I just need to use this command called option command and m. So now I can extract the and say print error message, and that's it, guys. Yes, so now no, actually it should not be also print error message, sorry guys, actually it should be what it does is like it checks if port positive, right, and then return. So I'll just do it again once. So I will rename it to check if positive number. Okay, so actually it will just check if it's a positive number, then return. Otherwise, if it is a negative number, then it just does this one. That's it, guys. So as you can see here, this is the extraction. So that's it, guys, and catch you up in the next tutorial, guys. Thank you.